Are you curious about how to view your search history on Facebook on your PC with the new update? Well, you're in luck, because today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to do so. First, open your Facebook account on your PC and log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Next, click on the search bar and you will see a list of your recent searches pop up. To view your full search history, click on the Edit option at the top right corner of the search box. A new page will open up showing you a complete list of all your past searches on Facebook. You can scroll through this list to see what you've searched for in the past, and even delete individual searches if you'd like. And that's it. It's as simple as that to view your search history on Facebook on your PC with the new update. Remember to always stay safe and mindful of your online activity, and feel free to explore all the different features that Facebook has to offer. Until next time, happy Facebook browsing.